Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to make this beautiful and yummy Oreo ice cream. First take a saucepan, then add 1 tablespoon of corn flour plus 4 tablespoons of sugar. Then add half cup of milk and then mix them all well. Now turn on the stove and stir continuously until it has a thickness from low to medium flame. And make a instant condensed milk. Now instant condensed milk is ready. Now turn off the flame and keep it aside. Now take 32 to 34 Oreo biscuit. Grind them well and make a powder. And add 30 grams of butter. Again blend them for a few seconds. Now our fine Oreo powder is ready. And then transfer them to a plate. Now add half cup of wheat cream and beat it until it has a soft peak for 2 to 3 minutes. And then add our instant condensed milk. Again beat it for 1 minute. Now our ice cream is ready. Now take a loose cake mold which you can open from bottom. And then take a wrapping paper and stick it on the bottom and the side. You guys can also add butter paper if you want. And then divide the powder. And level it up. Now add the ice cream. Now add the remaining Oreo powder and also level it up. and then refrigerate it for overnight. After an overnight, and now serve it. You can easily open the loose mold by the steps my mother is doing. You can see how beautiful and cool it is looking. It is very yummy and tasty, and it also looks beautiful. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.